Hi everyone. So as you know that Rodha is launching its booster course from the 5th of September. But why are we launching this course? So we realize that we are contacted by students who tell us that okay, their accuracy is okay, but they struggle with accuracy in test conditions under time pressure. Then some of the students told us they were struggling with too close options. Some students, while they were able to solve, let's say, one RC with perfect accuracy, when they sat in sectionals or when they sat for mocks, then they faced challenges as to what the strategy should be, which passage should we select. So there are students who have begun practicing, but they probably are not very clear with the technique base that should actually underlie their solving, right? So this is for those students who want to give a method to their madness. So far probably you have begun practicing, but let's say you haven't been exposed to some challenging questions. If you have been, you are struggling with attempting them under time pressure. If you're able to solve let's say one RC under time pressure, but when you face sectionals, mocks, then that becomes scary for you. So in case you're dealing with such problems, or if you simply just want to hone your strategy, if you want to boost your scores, you've taken some mocks, you've taken some sectionals, and you feel that your scores are not where they should be and you want to give them a boost. So for those students, we have this booster course. Right. So this was the why of the course. Now I'm sure you are aware that we have section wise boosters for you. So QA booster, VARC booster, LRDI booster, plus we have a comprehensive booster course that covers all the three sections here, right? So VARC, LRDI and quants, all of them. So it is up to you. It's your decision. Which one do you think is the best for you? If you take the full booster and mocks, you get access to all the subjects, their courses, plus you get access to all our tests, our sectionals, our mocks, our test courses with individual RCs and VA questions, everything, right? Now who is going to teach you? For VARC, KD sir and I are going to teach you, right? Now LRDI, Ravi sir and Apur sir. For quants, exclusively Ravi sir, right? And you also know the timings. So I think these are the details that you are aware about. What I am here to talk to you about is what all we'll do in VARC, right? So let's jump to that. And if you want me to talk numbers, so we will cover around 100 plus quality RCs with you. Now these are quality questions that our content team has designed, keeping in mind CAT previous year papers and keeping them relatively of a higher difficulty level, right? At least 20% higher. That is usually our aim. So we will practice 100 plus RCs. We'll practice around 200 plus VA and critical reasoning questions, because critical reasoning is the base of everything. Your RC is your VA. So it's important to practice those questions as well. So rigorous practice, right? That's our aim. Quality questions. And through these, solving these questions, we learn the how-tos of solving. Oh, how should I approach a para summary question? I shouldn't just read the paragraph. I should also notice the key ideas and, mentally take a note of those key ideas. Notice whenever the author uses but, however, probably a stance of the author is coming after that. So, the how-to of solving, the how-to of reading, we will learn through rigorous practice, right? Another problem that students tell me, and a lot of students tell me this, is how to eliminate, especially between two close options. And this is a challenge I absolutely understand. A lot of us face it in the beginning, right? And some of us get stuck here. We're not able to move past this. So we will teach you, how to label your traps, how to eliminate not just randomly, but with justification after labeling various traps, right? So this is again going to happen through this practice. We will come to, we'll have focused sessions wherein you will, have drills to master elimination. So this is how we'll teach you elimination techniques. And this is about practicing and solving questions. But see, you are going to take a test. It's not just about solving one individual RC or one individual VA question. So we will talk to you about test approaches in the classroom. For example, how should you select an RC passage? Which questions should you avoid? Which questions should you select, right? How much time should you spend on a question? How to stop second guessing and, overthinking, which is a lot of students are texting me and saying that this is a problem. So we will learn these test approaches, and I think a lot of practice comes into the picture here. So you will have access to our entire test course, which has a number of topic tests of different difficulty levels, a number of RC drills, wherein let's say you have an RC test with 4 RCs. So this will be a 30-minute test for you, right? And you can solve that and see where you stand when you just solve just 4 RCs in 30 minutes. So test approaches plus implementing them in the test scenario. Okay, so we have timed tests for you. So this is something that will focus a lot on how to approach the test and how to, of course, you will practice and you will learn from there as well. Plus, a lot of you who have already taken some sectionals and mocks, you are getting a certain score, right? So for instance, some of you are in the 20s, okay, in the VARC section. Now you feel how to move past this 20s, how to take this to 20s to 30s. Some of you who are in 30s, you want to take it to late 30s, right? So if that is your aim, so some score boosting strategies is something that we'll discuss with you. You will have access to this general queries, strategies course of ours, where all these strategies will be discussed with you. For example, how can your analysis reveal gaps that you can then, work towards narrowing down in your subsequent tests that you take. Okay, so that, you get, let's say, perhaps one incremental question correct in every subsequent sectional. So these are the things that we will focus on with you. So it's not just, us lecturing you. It's very practice focused. We will practice questions, we'll practice RCs, you will practice tests, you will analyze, we will discuss your analysis, and then we'll suggest you how you can boost your score, right? So very practice focused, very application oriented this booster course is going to be. And you already know this, that our pedagogy involves access to our live course, the classes. Then you have a queries and strategy course where you can ask your general queries, your section specific queries, and also strategy related queries. And you also have access to our timed tests, right? So timed RC tests, timed VA tests, and also let's say module wise RC test. For instance, as I told you, a 30-minute test which has 4 RCs. Okay, if you take our comprehensive course, right, if you take the complete booster, in that case, you get access to all this for all the subjects, what I just told you. In addition, you have access to everything on our mock portal. So 30 mocks, full length mocks, 105 sectionals, 40 plus topic wise mocks on our mock portal. So this is the benefit of the complete booster. Okay, and you also have section wise boosters with sectional tests, right? A complete 40-minute sectional. Okay, you have the full booster and full booster plus all the mocks, right? So these are the packages that are available to you. This is the date from which we are launching it. And if you have any queries, you can contact our support team. I've just discussed with you what we'll cover in VARC, and our aim is to actually, the idea of a booster course is just to take you from score A to score B, your desired course. Yeah, your desired score, right? So yeah, I will see you in the booster course. We'll have a lot of fun together and a lot of learning, a lot of practice, a lot of test taking, right? See you. Bye-bye.